Reverend Eliasaph Serwada yasima bwo kwereza mukame myaka ye yona kandi no kuzaja abana kandi omukorogu gwakwa w'abanyadini nyamwingi hamwe n'abakuru mu government hamwe n'abandi bingi.
Mwakire Yesu nambara niyo moto y'abayobozi bankore. It is the motto for our diocese. Colossians 2:3. In him is wisdom and knowledge. Now when they go to the Nyankore Bible, they put there a third one, Omutunji.
Reverend Eliasaph Serwada abirarishe wakano Idisina Karema ubwa hatarukura State House Investors Protection Unit.
But he would challenge us in Nyankore. He would say, abashumbire enganzi yakwere kamugungunu akabaragente nentoche no bugeiga kandi yo washumbire Yesu numujambo yandi akabiyanda gabe kwiganachi.
Kano Idisina Karema yasima President Museveni abwo kumwesiga kandi yasima no mureberezi wa Central Buganda Bishop Michael Rubowa abwo kujwekisha ngoro atakafire. Major Jessica Lupo nuwe yajwekera mukuru w'ihanga kandi yahereza amazika ga miliyoni 10.
Zezo n'oluvanyuma tudeye kanisa tweyazanyo tweyazege mama fe
Eliasaph Serwada. On behalf of government and on my own behalf, I convey heartfelt sympathies to Colonel Edith Nakalema and the entire family upon the death of your dear father. I thank the late Reverend Eliasaph for having laid a strong moral and spiritual foundation for his children.
I want to believe ngu echepengo chomtumavu akataka tishemerirwe mnonga. You made his life more joyful in his latter days.
Reverend Eliasaph aherize mukamebero by'amagarage gona kandi afira mukuru w'abahereza bakuzire omubureberezi bwa Central Buganda kandi yasiga abana batano nabijukuri 18 kandi aferira myaka nshanju na mukaga y'obukuru. Nde Evans Taremwa abwa TV West agacenchwire.